To determine if a GPU, or graphics processor unit, is faulty, it's essential to look out for visual signs that may indicate a problem. These signs can include strange artifacts and graphical glitches while gaming or performing everyday tasks, as well as frequent screen freezes, system crashes, or the blue screen of death. If any of these signs are noticeable, conducting an initial hardware check is the next step. This involves ensuring the GPU is properly seated in its PCI slot, as a loose connection could be the issue. Additionally, monitoring the GPU temperature and fan speed is crucial, as overheating can damage the GPU and affect its performance. Software like HW Monitor can be used to track the GPU temperature and fan speed. If the GPU is running hot under heavy load, it may indicate a problem. A software check can also be performed using the DirectX diagnostic tool, which comes with the Windows operating system. This tool provides information about the GPU, such as driver version, memory size, and display mode, and can run basic tests to check for errors. To use this tool, press the Windows and R keys together. Type DXDiag in the Run tab, and hit Enter. The DirectX diagnostic tool will then open and load the system information. To run tests, select the Display tab and click on the Direct Draw and Test Direct 3D buttons. If any errors occur during the test, it may indicate a faulty GPU. If uncertainty still exists, stress testing the GPU using benchmarking software is the next step. Tools like FurMark and 3DMark can be used to put the GPU through its paces. FurMark is a free tool that stresses the GPU by using a FUR rendering algorithm, pushing it to its limit while displaying temperature, fan speed, and power usage. 3DMark is a paid tool that stresses the GPU by running different scenarios that simulate real-world gaming situations and measure the GPU's performance. If the GPU crashes or produces errors during these tests, it is a clear indicator of a faulty GPU. By using these diagnostic tests, it is possible to determine if a GPU is faulty.